how to set up your Mac computer with your Brother MFC-J1365DW. So in this video, I'll show you how to connect, how to print using Wi-Fi and your Mac, and also how to scan things over here and get the file directly on your Mac. Let's get started right away. Step number one is to go on the printer itself on the control panel and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. I'll demonstrate how this is done. You're going to press the settings button on the top left corner. Use the down arrow until you have highlighted network. Press OK. Select the first option, WLAN Wi-Fi, by pressing OK. And then press OK once again. Press the right side arrow. And the printer is now searching for every networks that are around it. This is the list of the networks, and by using the up and down arrow, you can highlight your Wi-Fi network. Press OK, and now it's time to type the password. By using the digital keyboard and pressing these arrows, you'll be able to type your password. If your password has capital letters, just go over there, press OK. And it switched to capital letters. If your password has numbers, you just go over here, click, and you have a number pad. So go ahead and type. Go and select OK and press the OK button. The printer is now currently connecting to the Wi-Fi network, and you're going to get a confirmation message in around 10 seconds. Here we go, connected. On the Mac computer, you're going to go on the top right corner. You see there is a magnifying glass. Click on the magnifying glass and we're going to type printer. One of the options should be printers and scanners. This is a shortcut, so we go directly in the printers and scanners settings of your Mac. Go all the way down on the left side, on the right side, sorry, and select Add Printer, Scanners or Fax. This window will appear and we simply have to select the Brother MFC-J1365DW. Highlight it in blue and then click on the Add button. The printer is now added to the Mac. Let me show you how to print and scan. I have opened a PDF file on my Mac. Could have been a picture or even a web page. You're going to go in File, go all the way down, select Print. On the top where you see Printer, you're going to select your Brother MFC-J1365DW. And from now, there's a few settings you can change. I won't go through them, but basically it's if you want to print in color or black and white, do you want to print on both sides of the page, the paper size, all these good stuff. Now, one important thing I need to mention that not many people know is the fact that if you go in media and quality, you're going to have quality. And it's very important if you're printing pictures to select best. Obviously, it will give you the best result. And that's what most people want. If you're simply printing a text file like the one you see over here with some graphics, if you select normal, I think it does a great job. You don't have to change it every time. But if it's for pictures, go ahead and change it to best. At the end, press the print button, and in under 12 seconds, you should see the results coming out of here. Actually, it's much quicker, as you see. Now let me demonstrate how to scan a document and get the result directly on your Mac so you can share them, print, or save it for future usage. So this printer has two different scanners. One of them is the scan bed, and if you want to input a paper over there, you're going to place it facing down with the top part of the document towards the left. You're going to align the top left corner of the document with the top left corner of the scanner. And close. If you're going to use the top document feeder to scan multiple pages, let me demonstrate as well how everything should be done. So you're going to place your multiple pages, could have been 15, I just have 2. and you're gonna need to place them facing down again with the top part towards the left. Guide it, you see those two things over here, push them to the extremity and guide the paper in between, all the way in. You need to feel that there is a resistance. That way the printer knows that the pages are inserted here and the printer will be able to scan them. Extend the small flap as well. On the Mac computer, you're gonna go again where you see the magnifying glass, and this time you're gonna type capture. Click on the image capture result. It's an app that comes included with your Mac. You don't have to download anything. On the left side, select your Brother MFC-J1365DW. Now this window will open. Let's make it bigger. So at this moment, you may be hearing your scanner working. It scanned and give you a preview of what's on the scanner glass. In our case, we're not using the scanner glass. The paper is on the top on the automatic document feeder, so it's normal that it's a blank page. What we need to do next is under scanner mode, select document feeder if the paper is there and not on the flatbed. Because, by the way, nothing got saved. Even if you saw a preview of whatever you have input on the scanner glass, this is not saved yet. Select if you want to scan in color or black and white, the resolution. For text file, just leave it at 200. For pictures, put it at 6. It will give you the best details. Select the scan size. In my case, I just input some US letter size. Select where do you want the scan result to go. I have selected desktop and I will leave it there. And over name, you can give this scan any name, like homework for today. Whoops. Okay, perfect. Select the format. So if you have input multiple pages and you want to combine them in one PDF file, you're going to go and select PDF from this list. And then make sure that combine into single document is checked. Press the scan button right over here. So the scanner will scan page by page without me touching anything. And at the end, the result should appear on my desktop where I have selected. Okay, perfect. So at this point, let me just close this. And as you see on the desktop, And as you see on my desktop, I have the PDF file homework for today that I just scanned with the pages that were over there. So this is about it. I really hope this video was helpful. If so, take a moment and leave a comment. Subscribe, but also check my Amazon links in the description. I have put links directly to purchase replacement ink for this model of a printer, for some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you purchase through my links, I get a very small commission from Amazon and it helps my channel. So that's a great way to support me. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.